Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. I was under fire for good 2 days. A lot of people were bombarding my WhatsApp. Some persons went all the way writing an email for a matter they don't know anything about. Now, it has been almost 1 week that Afenifere youth leader was released from detention. I mean, the kidnapping then of the Fulani terrorists. When I told you people it was Fulani who kidnapped him because of the voice notes, they were using his social media account, they were doing all sorts of things. I said, these people are Fulanis. When you hear the voice and all those things, unless you are not good at detecting crime, okay? Now, thank God that the man is still alive. For those of you who said, I am accusing the Fulanis, that they kidnap Afenifere youth leader. Now, the man has recovered, has gone to hospital, come back. He's now narrating what transpired, what happened to him, and who kidnapped him. He said it was Fulani Herdsmen that kidnapped him. Okay? So I have been vindicated because a lot of people were saying, I just come out to, say what I don't know. I know what I'm saying, so I do not come out to say what I don't know. I was happy to see that Sahara Reporters published, his narration. He narrated everything that happened, and this is what he said. Afenifere youth leader Enionda Ajajuni confirms he was adopted by Fulani Herdsmen in Ondo State. And that is just what I have been waiting to hear from the man. He was adopted by the Fulani Herdsmen. A lot of things are going on. And people don't want to say the truth. They want to say that it was ordinary people, government that adopted. No, it was Fulanis. Why are they going everywhere adopting people? Why are they doing all sorts of things? How many are they? How many are they? If everybody holds gun today, how many are they? All these Fulani, how many are they? Can they wage war? Now, this is what the man said. The article reads that Prince Enionda Joseph Ajajuni, the national youth president of Afenifere, has confirmed that he was kidnapped by the Fulani Herdsmen on February 17 while traveling to Abuja. The incident had reportedly occurred around 2 p.m. in Kanu, Okoko, Ondo State. Ajajuni recounted his ordeal in a Facebook post on Friday, stating that he is still receiving medical treatment following the ordeal. He expressed gratitude to those who supported him financially, spiritually, and emotionally during the difficult time. He also acknowledged those who reached out to his wife with words of encouragement. The Afenifere youth leader assured Nigerians that once he recovered, he will formally appreciate everyone who stood by him. According to him, I was kidnapped by Fulani Herdsmen on the 17th day of February on my way to Abuja in Akunu Okoko around 1:42 p.m. I am undergoing serious medical treatment. Besides, I want to use this opportunity to thank everyone who supported me massively, financially, spiritually, and by calling my dear wife for words of encouragement. Once I'm out of the hospital bed, I will come out to appreciate you, or especially Ajajuni added. Will come out to appreciate you, or especially Ajajuni added. So this was his Facebook post. Now, Sahara Reporters on March 1 reported that the release of Ajajuni was secure with at least 17 million naira, according to a top family source. The money was said to have been paid to secure his freedom from the kidnappers after about 12 days. According to the top sources, Ajajuni's wife reportedly personally delivered the ransom to the adopters in Akure before his release. They also noted that despite repeated plea, the Nigerian government did not provide financial assistance, and security agencies were also unable to track the kidnappers' location until the ransom was paid. We did not hear anything from the government despite repeated promises, and the police efforts did not yield result. We had no choice but to raise funds ourselves, one of the sources had told Sahara Reporters. Now, the article continues, but let me stop the articles here because I've extracted the purpose of the video. So the reason why I'm just doing this video today is just to tell you that it was Fulani Herdsmen that kidnapped him. And this is not their first time. This is not their last time. They have been doing this time without number. It is important we set the record straight. These terrorists, they are not backing down. They are the one kidnapping our people. They are the one carrying out all sorts of crimes against our people. Our mothers in the bush, they go to the extent of sleeping with them. They did all sorts of things against them. We are saying this because we know that the world is watching. The world is watching because we are not going to keep quiet and allow these things to continue perpetually. Everything they have prepared against us, it must be the same measure against them. Now, in my previous video, I published about this United States human rights leader. They flew to Nigeria. Why do they flew to Nigeria? Because Supreme Court just sentenced someone to death. Federal High Court did, Appeal Court did, Supreme Court did. What is the crime of the person? He killed a Fulani herdsman. Now, Fulani herdsman invaded his property. He invaded his property, and invading his property is not the only thing. The Fulani man now started fighting him because he asked him to go carry his cattle and go out of his farm. He started fighting him to the extent of stabbing him at the neck, stabbing him in his hand. The man wrestled with that Fulani man. He took the knife and stabbed the Fulani man back. In that process, the man died. So when the man died, what happened? The other people, Meiti and all those people, they sponsored the case through the court that their brothers are dead, that someone killed their brother. They went to court. Court admitted that the knife belongs to the Fulani man. That Fulani man, yes, truly stabbed him. But what is the opposite crime now? They said the man, after he wrestled with the Fulani man, connecting his knife, that he's supposed to run. It doesn't make sense. The man was telling them, the Fulani man has already cut my vein in my leg. He stabbed me, so I can't even run. The only option I have is to stab him back with what he's using to stab me. That was it all. You said no, that it's a murder, that you're supposed to run. That is what Supreme Court is saying. If I am telling you people that Nigeria is not for you, you people don't still understand what I'm saying. This Nigeria cannot continue like this. This Nigeria can never be one. If anybody is telling you that, oh, don't worry, we'll build Nigeria, it's because of selfish and blind political reason. Nobody will survive in this country few months, few years to come. With all these things happening, nobody is going to survive. So my encouragement, my plea to people who are saying that Nigeria, we should continue to work for the progress of one Nigeria, I really want to say that you are blind. You are truly blind, and your blindness has no ray of light close to it. Your blindness, no ray of light close to it. What do you mean by one Nigeria? With different laws? Because the man, I don't know, the man is a Christian. The person who stabbed him is a Fulani man. Meiti and that sponsor the case all to the Supreme Court and the sentence to death for self-defense. I'm not cooking this story. You heard the United States human rights. Those people came to Nigeria to defend the man. So this is not what we bargained for. And people should wake up. In my next video, I will be telling you what is going on in Edo State. Edo State, I love the measure the governor is taking. The governor, apart from going after the herdsmen, the governor is demolishing houses of people that you know that, oh, you are harboring Fulani man or you are an informant to Fulani man. The governor will demolish your house. That is my next video, so check it out. And that is the same measure that everyone should be taking. Everyone should be taking. So this has nothing to do with politics now. This has nothing to do with APC or anything. This has nothing to do with political party now. What we are after is that our people must be secured. Our people must be secure. That is what we are after. So anything it will take us to secure our people, we are going to do it. We are going to do it. So let's see how everything goes. But one thing is sure, Nigeria is irredeemable. Take that to the bank.